This is just another method for cooking sausage that I tried a month or so ago, and I go, wow, looks great, tastes great because it has a different texture about it. Anyway, when the sausage is still frozen, it's easy to cut it in half, but not all the way. And then just open it like so. Leave it on the plate until it defrosts. Then we're going to turn it over like so, put it in the pan and press on it. And you'll see how pretty it looks. It looks great. So now that the sausages are pretty soft, take them and put them meat side down. You don't need any oil. Guess why not? There's no fat in there. And press to flatten them out. You'll see what they look like when it's done. It's nice, texture-wise. And that's all you have to do. Not too high of a flame. And you know they're going to cook 100% like this. Just turn them over for a minute or two. I like them because it's a nice chew when you eat them. That's good. So now that'll take a few minutes. No sense in looking at it and watching it cook. But you'll know when it's time to turn. You see a little brown. And they smell good too. It's taken about 6-7 minutes. And now this side, you don't need a high flame at all, just to finish it up. Very low. So look how nice that looks. And it doesn't even look like sausage. It looks like a piece of chicken cutlet. Just kidding. Anyway, this will take another few minutes and it's done. That's another 5 minutes on that side and we're done. Now, how do you use this? Well, look how pretty that looks on a plate. And because it's brown like that, it has a hell of a lot of better taste. So you take this up, you cut it up pieces, put it on rice or serve it like that, and vegetables on the side, whatever, and you have a nice meal. Enjoy.